Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys some things around my room. I have lots of things that I've kind of added throughout the last few months, I would say, and I get a ton of questions from you guys over on Instagram stories all about my room and just certain pieces and things like that. I also want to preface this video by saying that this is not going to be like your perfect room tour. This is like more of like an updated share with you guys some pieces that I've been really liking. Just like want to keep it real for you guys. I don't want to be like staging anything and making things look super perfect. I hope you guys don't mind, but I know myself, and I tell myself all the time, I always say like, well, your room's not done, it's not clean, like whatever, but it's like, it's never going to be perfect in my eyes, so I might as well just show it to you guys as it is and how I live with it every single day. The other thing I want to do is actually do a little bit of skincare with you guys before I get started. You guys know I really like serums. I love trying so many different skincare and sharing with you guys what works for me personally. The beginning part of this video is sponsored by SkinStore.com. They have tons of skincare that they share on their website and sell. One of the brands that I've really been liking is called SkinSuticals, and I've actually heard a few estheticians talk about this brand, so I wanted to sort of share with you guys my opinions. I have been using this product for a couple months now, so I finally feel like it's the right time to show you guys this product. It is the C E Ferulic Serum. There is a giant, what is that, a crow? Why is that crow so big? So this is the SkinSuticals C E Ferulic Serum. You guys have no idea how much vitamin C has literally changed my skin. Vitamin C is one of those products that is really incredible for just anti-aging and stuff like that. But what I really like about this serum in general, A, is the fact that it's a very fast absorbing, lightweight formula. So you can layer other serums, you can layer it on with moisturizers and things like that. I really love the fact that it also has vitamin E in it. Just a lot of great, important, potent vitamins that are going to help with anti-aging. And then the ferulic acid, which I've learned, it has the ability to basically give you like a little bit of a layer, like a veil, if you will, on top of your skin to protect it from any kind of pollution or free radicals, which is something that actually contributes to anti-aging as well. So this product, really helpful. I'm going to show you guys how I use it. I'm going to have a code for you guys listed down below where you can get a couple free gifts from SkinStore if you spend over $150, which is, trust me, is very easy to spend on this website, because if you're anywhere like a skincare junkie like I am, you're gonna have a field day on this website. The way I use it is I like to basically take one of these, like, they're not cotton rounds, but they are reusable pads. I throw them in the wash every time I'm done with them, and I actually get them on Amazon. My sister got them for me. Very eco-friendly. I'll have it linked for you guys down below as well. Instead of throwing away all your cotton rounds and stuff like that, you're actually just reusing and reducing waste. I like to use micellar water just to cleanse off the skin from any kind of overnight. I don't know if anything's absorbing into my skin. It probably is ingesting things throughout the night, so I just like to cleanse it really lightly. I wash my face pretty well at night, so I don't want to like wash my face. This is also like something I like to do when I'm in a hurry, you know what I mean? It's just, it works for me on days where I have to drop a lie off at school. Okay, then I'm gonna take the serum, and I take about 4 to 5 drops for my face. Okay, and then I rub it together and just press into my skin. This product is really great for, you know, normal, dry, sensitive skin even, so it's really, really nice. And I can literally overall feel my skin like getting tight when I use this, but not in like a dehydrated way, in like a plump, my skin's loving it type of way. And then I go in with any kind of SPF. One of the things that estheticians have always told me, to prevent premature aging, you want to always have vitamin C somehow incorporated in your skincare, as well as SPF. And you guys know I love my Supergoop SPF. SkinSuticals serum that I've been using has literally helped my skin in an amazing way, because serums are just bomb. I will have more information for you guys down below. Check that out. Check out the code. Thanks again to SkinStore for sponsoring the beginning part of today's video, but let's go ahead and get started with the little mini room tour. Okay guys, sorry, I had to quickly change. I am feeling a little hot, so I just put on a t-shirt real quick, but I want to show you guys my room. Like I said, let's just start from when you walk into my room. So my room, obviously, like I said earlier, it's never accomplished for me. It's never like perfect. As long as it's clean, that's what matters to me. This is what happens when you walk into my room. I have this little rug. I like it, it's cute. And then I come in and you have this big rack right here. This is my rolling rack, which a lot of my friends love checking out this rack because this is usually like my updated new rack. I obviously have a closet in my other, like in my bathroom and whatnot, but I like to keep this one out here because this is stuff that I have to shoot and or do a haul with. If you guys saw my Princess Polly haul, you would have recognized some of these pieces. So like this stuff I have to go through, figure out what I want to keep, what I want to donate or sell, and then it'll go back into my other closet. This stuff I have, you know, I just have some things that I've been trying to wear more, just things that I can grab more often, I'll go to here. Same thing goes with the shoes. There are a few shoes in here that I've been sent, but a lot of it are things that I rotate a lot, which are like my white sneakers. I also have like my Doc Martens back there, just sort of, you know, thrown around. I'm not gonna organize it and make it look like it's perfect because that's not how it is every single day, but I just got this in, which I thought was so cute for spring, from a brand called Runaway the Label. And I also just have like my big tote for if I'm ever gonna go edit out like at a coffee shop, I can just grab that, throw my computer in it. This is also a bag that I got. This is from Nasty Gal. I'm gonna be doing a haul with Nasty Gal pretty soon, so stay tuned for that, but I just have some pieces that I have to shoot and do for the haul. So this bag is from there and I thought it was super cute. Here, that's my everyday purse right now. It's this really, I've had this bag forever. It's like a vintage Balenciaga bag, but this box right here, I hate that it's here, but it's so useful. It's pretty much my catch-all for PR that I need to like either shoot content for, things like that. I just have all in there. I also have my makeup bag somewhere in there, so whenever I do my makeup, I can just easily put it here and just do my makeup. And then I have my little mirror right here, which is what I use when I'm filming like my IGTVs or a makeup video. I prop it up on my windowsill, and then I have this box of makeup that I just got from Laura Mercier. Let me see. Just has a bunch of product in here that I need to like go through. I haven't done that. I got a new phone. I don't even know why this box is in here. Right here is my little gym bag. It has my hat, some like wet wipes, my booty bands, things like that, little hand towel. So yeah, this rack is really helpful and I like that it's black and very simplistic and chic. I'll link the major pieces in this video down below just because I know some of you will probably be looking for something like this. But yeah, this one I believe is from Amazon. And it just works really well for my room. Look how, like, this is driving me crazy. I need to find like a cute covered box that can like go here. You'll recognize this a lot. This is where I will actually shoot some pictures. This mirror is actually from Target. Everyone I feel like has this mirror, but it's a great mirror on a neutral gold brass color. I really like it. My plant is from Home Depot, including the pot. It's a snake plant. I usually will just have products I'm using here right now. I have my everyday makeup brushes, which if you haven't seen my everyday makeup brush video, these are all the ones that I've mentioned. I'll link that video down below. Some jewelry I need to wear. This is a little tray that I got from, I think I got this tray from Target maybe. And then this has just basically my like products that I use pretty often, like my deodorant, my skincare, things like that. And then just some other products that I'm working with and just trying to use. This guy, okay, so this piece of furniture I get questions all the time about. So this is actually much smaller than it looks. So a regular size adult dresser would be double the size of this. Just for reference, but I actually, because of the space that I'm working with, I have a relatively small room. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's not, I mean, it's not super small, but it's not large. So I felt like if I got too big of a dresser, it would make the room feel much more smaller. So I ended up going for a baby dresser. So if you actually look at this dresser, it's a mess, sorry. If you look at this dresser, it doesn't go very deep, but it also keeps me from having too much stuff. I feel like when I had my old dresser and I felt like I just hoarded so much stuff. So the baby size, it's still really cute. It's very simple, but it keeps me from having too much stuff. And if it gets too filled up, that just reminds me that you need to start clearing things out and getting rid of stuff. So this is from Amazon. I'll link it down below for you guys, as well as the mirror, and yeah. So this is where, this is not my desk. My desk actually is out in the living room. There's a built-in desk that came with the house, and I just like to have this here. It's actually a TV stand that I will have whenever I'm filming videos, because this is where I usually will film. I'll prop my camera up right here, and then I'll film because I have these two big windows with natural lighting. But this little desk is really helpful because I can fold it and put it in the corner and you don't even see it. But I also like the natural wood color that it is, because for flat lays and things like that, this is really useful. So I will sometimes just pull this out and layer products, shoot products. Okay, so here I actually used to have this mirror over there and that over here. The reason why I moved this here is because I like the lighting better. I have way more natural lighting on this side of the room, as you can tell. This side of the room is much darker. So I wanted to put this mirror here so that I could get more like outfit pictures and utilize this space more. And plus the background is very cute. Once I put away this and move that box, this actually becomes a really nice shot. I get tons of questions about this mirror, and I feel like it's very self-explanatory. Maybe not, it might look a little different in pictures, but this mirror is actually from Ikea. So you can find it at Ikea. It's super cute. Yet again, goes with like the black trim a lot that's in my room. My dresser has the black trim legs. I do wish I had a mirror that was a little bigger. I'm 5'8" and I can't get very close without the mirror starting to cut me off. So personally, if I got a mirror that was like yay high, that would make me so much happier. But I have to look into it. They're pretty pricey, but I think Ikea has one that's pretty big and wide. So I think I'm gonna be turning that in. For now, this is working for me. These slippers, by the way, are the best house slippers in the planet, okay? These remind me so much of like the UGG slippers. Just came out with some pretty cool UGG slippers for the holiday, and I love this color so much more. They're so comfortable. I've worn them to death, and I haven't even had them that long, but they're so soft. These are also from Amazon, so I'll link these guys down below for you guys as well, because these are great, and they come in many other neutral colors. They have like a gray, but this color is the best. And I think I mentioned it on my stories for those of you watching and tuning in today and don't follow my Instagram stories. I will link this for you guys. Okay, then I have this basket, which actually has some of Elia's storybooks. We like to read books before bed or watch a movie before bed. We have our cute little mermaid from Anthro, and then yeah, so some of her favorite books are here. Sometimes I'll just put the blanket here because this doesn't really go with my bedding because my bedding's like all white, but this is the most comfortable blanket. We sleep with it every single night, and it's just amazing. It's the Barefoot Dreams blanket. If you guys haven't heard of them, they are expensive. Like, they're no joke. They're really expensive, but these are the best blankets ever. If you are looking to gift somebody something, this is the best thing you could get them, because I'm telling you, nobody will reject this or not appreciate it or use it, because it truly is the best present ever. Okay, and so here is my bed. So I don't have anything crazy to tell you about my bed. It's basically a queen bed. I would love to get a king, but like I said, I don't want to make this room feel smaller than it already is. This picture is actually, so I actually did this myself. I ordered a frame online. I believe it's from Amazon. Print itself I got made through, I think I did it through like the FedEx office. I paid to have them print it for me, and then they printed it this size, and then I got a frame for it. So you can buy the print on Etsy, which is what I did, and then they email you the actual file, and then you can print it through whatever printing service you choose, whether if it's Costco or whatever. But I love it. I want to get a new frame for it though, because I don't know if you guys can tell, but this frame is like kind of janky. I have the best sheets ever. They're the t-shirt sheets. These are from Target. You guys can't see it, but if you could touch them, they literally feel like a lived-in t-shirt. They're so comfy and cozy. And then I have these silk pillowcases that are amazing. I actually mentioned this one in my one of my Amazon favorites videos because it has like a really nice zip on them so they don't slip out. The pillows don't slip out of the case. These are also from Target. This one's also from Target. Okay, so here we're moving on to my nightstand. So please ignore this eyesore of wires. I'm gonna get a basket that goes underneath here. Oh my god, it's so ugly. I cannot handle it. I'm actually planning on getting a new lamp for this because I feel like for the room and the scale of this nightstand versus the wall, I would rather have something a little bit bigger. This size just is off, but I've had it for a while and I'm like, whatever, it is what it is. Nightstand is actually from West Elm. This is my favorite nightstand ever. So have a nice little coaster. This marble coaster is sweet because this is real wood, and if you put water, it'll leave water stains on this, so you gotta be careful with this bad boy. I already got a water stain here that's actually from hot water. And my Hydro Flask, well, not Hydro Flask, it's like a knockoff Hydro Flask, but it does the job. And then my blue light glasses. All right, so on to this plant, which I also get questions about as well. The plant itself is from Home Goods. Or sorry, from Home Depot, and then the planter and stand are from Amazon. So I'll link the exact ones down below because it is really hard to find good quality stands and planters, but this is my favorite and I want to get another one for the living room. My poor plant is just, it had a little bit of an issue in the beginning, but we're working on it, okay people? But it's a beautiful plant. People think it's fake, but it's real. I have another picture, black and white picture of me and Alaya. And then here is this bookshelf. This is from Ikea as well. This needs to go. I don't even know why this is even here because I don't even use it. My like perfumey type things. And then one of my favorite candles. And then here I have another picture of me and Alaya when she was a little tiny baby. Or my friend Chandler. So when we were filming our show called Pretty Little Mamas, which was on MTV way back in the day, this was one of the shoots that Chandler did for me and they filmed it. So I love this picture. It's obviously beautiful. She's a great photographer, but guys, I had blonde hair back in the day. Isn't that crazy? Just a different memory that I had. And you know, she's just such a little baby in this picture. But it's funny because every time I look at this, I think about like all the cameras that were there while Chandler and I were shooting, and it was just like a different kind of shoot, but it was so much fun. I just got these. These are from Home Goods. All of my little coffee table books are mainly from Home Goods. My brother's girlfriend got me this book called Milk and Honey, which I love. It's actually a beautiful poetic book. Aretha Franklin, my favorite. These are just my top, some of my favorite coffee table books because they're great, but they also just look really nice, and they don't just sit there for decoration. I actually take them out for inspo sometimes. And then up here I have this beautiful picture. This is from Home Goods as well. Thought it was pretty and very minimalistic and looked like a Greek goddess slash god. I don't know. My mom also said it looked like me, but I don't think so because that would be me with a chin implant. My chin's not that big, but you know what I mean. This is from Target. The planter is from Target. It's too small, obviously, but I was like, what the heck, I don't care. I just need to get something that's gonna keep this up here. So, and then this plant is from Home Depot. And then I have my little tray of jewelry. I have these stackable trays that are also from Home Goods. You can find these on Amazon as well, and these just basically keep all of my jewelry for the most part. I have this little tray here with some other jewelry that I usually grab for most of the time. My Bose speakers back here. And then I also have my basically like catch-all for electronics, my old cameras in here that I don't ever use anymore because it doesn't work. And then I also have you know, my little headbands, glasses, memory cards, chargers, tripods, lights, like just all sorts of things, my microphone. So I actually want to find a box that is like this but actually has a lid so I can close it and you don't have to like look at everything, but it is what it is. So yeah, that's pretty much it for my little mini room update slash room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely let me know if you have any thoughts on my room, what you think I could add to my room. If you have any suggestions, that'd be great. And also if I missed anything that isn't in the description box, let me know in the comments and I will link it for you guys as well. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.